Hey guys, welcome back. Katie Girl here, and today we're going to play a Roblox game. All of you probably know this game. Sorry, I just had to plug in a charger. We're not doing that game. We're going to do Meep City. I know this game is kind of boring. It's kind of hard. But we're doing it. And stop complaining and get and watch. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Let me turn down the volume. Please subscribe and also like this video. Don't forget, Meep City will. If you liked Meep City, then definitely subscribe. I want to talk loud, because I've had in cases where I've had an old YouTube channel, and so I would talk really quiet. I would talk really quiet. And they wouldn't be able to hear you. You'd have to turn up all. Hold on. All the volume just to hear me. Sorry. Oh no. Yeah, we're not playing this game. This game's too boring. Now, what game are we going to play? It's definitely my recent games because I play dumb games. Oh, how about this? Oh, this is nice. Yeah. Jesus, no. I know what to play. Let's play. So you a second girl. Apple sword I do. So you have to see that. Start making iPods, and we got $15. What is that? This. Okay. I had 0 deaths. Now make me money. I wish you would show me how much money I have, because I have no way of doing that. 20 plus 40. $40. Yeah, I don't think so. We're playing retail time. I'm kidding. We're playing Where's the Baby. Sorry for changing games so much, and sorry you had to say that. Just join random. There better be other people playing. Yeah, I don't want to be in VIP either. It's terrible. Still in a VIP. Oh, Sally. Why? You realize you're on a YouTube video right now, okay? Why is he crying? Initiative. Hungry. Initiative. Oh no. I'm the parent. Ugh. Oh, I know you're there. Yeah. Leave a game. Okay. I know what game we should play, and we should stick to this game, because I'm not changing games. Retail Tycoon. No, I know you're complaining because I have to do that. But look, it's not my fault. Hi. I'm kidding, we're not playing Retail Tycoon. Retail is boring. Let me take it. And this time I'll stick to my promise. Okay. No. I know everything. Mine. I know what to do. Jeez. So mean. Excuse me. I don't have enough for any of these. How much do I have? My credits. What you talking about? What do I have? Oh. I have to click on this. Ugh. I have to click on this. Hey! Hey! That wasn't very nice. That wasn't very nice. No, no! I am dumb. I am so dumb. Stop it! You know, I'm reporting him. You like that? It's Captain Juicy. Nevermore, nevermore. I told him to stop killing me. Going. Be quiet. What the heck just happened? Hey. Let's play that again. Sorry, guys. That was a huge moment of silence. What's the event? Huh? No. No, I know it's no. Nevermore, nevermore. Okay. Hold on, I gotta leave. Hey, it won't let me leave. I am no joke. Oh. Bye, guys, and I'll see you.